Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Thursday. Today is August the 7th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. It is warm, it's muggy out here, but skies are generally fair and most of the showers and thunderstorms in the offshore waters. But I do think we'll see the summertime weather continuing for the rest of the week with some isolated showers and thunderstorms popping up, becoming a bit more scattered, though, as we head toward the latter part of the weekend. Let's look at the sky cam here. And again, here in the midtown areas of Lafayette, we have generally clear skies, a little bit on the hazy side though, and those temperatures have been quite warm during the overnight period. But as far as any rain is concerned, I really don't think you're going to have too many problems on that morning commute this time around, whether you're going to work or perhaps heading off to school. I know there are some schools that went back yesterday, but a large part of Acadiana will be sending their kids back to school today. Temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 as they arrive at school, and there might be a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon with temperatures in the lower 90s. Right now, though, it is warm, it's muggy, temperatures mid to upper 70s in some cases, and a few 80s right there along the coast, which is pretty typical for the month of August. And as far as the radar is concerned, most of the showers and thunderstorms are south of Vermilion Bay, a couple of those kind of hugging the Terrebonne Parish coastline, and then those rains extend a little bit farther toward the east. There's still a bit of an upper trough that stretches from the Great Lakes down into southeastern portions of Louisiana, and that's been kind of the focal point with the showers and thunderstorms. Most of the action has remained in the offshore waters, but during the afternoon, when you get the daytime heating, you get some showers and thunderstorms to pop up once again. As far as the upper level pattern, though, that ridge of high pressure that's over the southwest is going to kind of edge its way off toward the west over the next couple of days, which will allow some troughiness over the eastern half of the country. We still have a bit of a front that's left over right there along the Gulf Coast. There's a good amount of tropical moisture that's going to be working westward across the Gulf toward the latter part of the weekend and the early part of next week. At this point, it doesn't look like we'll see any tropical development, but we'll see an enhanced chance for rain as we go into Sunday and Monday. Between now and then, though, very summer-like, again, hot, humid, some scattered showers and thunderstorms will fire up. Best chances for rain are going to be in the southeastern parts of the Acadiana region and southeastern portions of Louisiana. The farther west or northwest you live, the less of a chance of rain you will have. And that will also be a factor in the temperatures, where southeastern Louisiana may stay in the upper 80s to near 90 because of the widespread showers and thunderstorms, while you work your way back off toward the northwest. Temperatures will approach the upper 90s as you get over toward Toledo Bend. And then pretty uniform overnight tonight. Temperatures will drop into the mid to upper 70s, could be some lower 70s over southeastern Louisiana due to some rain-cooled air from today. And as far as any boating, things are all right in the offshore waters. Seas will be out, or rather winds will be out of the southwest at around 10 knots. Seas running about 1 to 2 feet. We'll see a light chop in the protected waters, but do remember, isolated thunderstorms do produce higher winds and seas. And as far as Dexter, it is still hanging on as a tropical storm, but it's losing the tropical characteristics. It will transition to more of a subtropical system, but even though it's losing its tropical characteristics, the wind speeds around the center of low pressure might actually increase over the next couple of days before eventually dissipating out over the North Atlantic. But at this point, it does not appear that's going to be any threat to land this time around. Good news there. Gulf satellite looks okay, other than that frontal boundary kind of draped along the Florida Panhandle westward over toward Louisiana. We've got a little bit of extra moisture that's going to kind of work in across the Bahamas over the weekend and across Florida, so that will bring us a better chance for some rain perhaps toward the early part of next week. We've got a couple of other areas that we're watching, one off the east coast, maybe a little lesser of a chance for development there, but right now it looks like anything that does develop will push away from the east coast, and then a wave that's over the central Atlantic still has a chance for some decent development as it moves into the western part of the Atlantic over the next couple of days. Models are also getting a lot more active with systems coming off the African coast. We will talk all about that and show you some of the scenarios there on Let's Talk Tropics. That's live today at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Getting you up to 92, and again, there will be some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Coverage is going to be about the same as what we saw yesterday as well as Monday and Tuesday. It looks like Friday we'll see those scattered showers and thunderstorms still around the area. Those could pop up midday through the early afternoon hours, maybe a little better coverage on Saturday and even better coverage as we get into Sunday as some tropical moisture starts to work its way off toward the west. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Don't forget you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1 101, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And also follow my social media pages, especially for any updates in the tropics, both on Facebook and X. And thanks to everyone who subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Have yourself a great Thursday, and I'll see you for Let's Talk Tropics live today at noon.